welcome back to my channel. As we all know, school is about to be starting back, and with school comes late nights, early mornings, and a lot of running late if you're anything like me. So I'm going to be showing y'all a few hairstyles today that are really easy to achieve and something you can just throw up and it actually look presentable for school or work or wherever you're going to be going. So let's just get on into it.
I want you to. I'm stuck in trying to find a way to make it easier to say that there's just one thing on my mind, and I think it's time for you to realize I want you all to myself. Don't wanna share you with nobody else. So give me something to believe. Will you promise me? Will you promise me? Burned me once or twice, I expect them. I just wanna know what your truth is. Will you be the one to break me out of this? I want you all to myself. Don't wanna share you with nobody else. So give me something to believe. Will you promise me? Will you promise me? So give me something to believe. Will you promise me? Will you promise me? Will you promise me? In love, I believe in honesty. Does that sound like something you'd be into? I believe the truth can be reality. Will you roll with that? 'Cause I want you to. I'm stuck in trying to find a way to make it easier to say that there's just one